Three islands in the Hawaiian island chain are Hawaii, the Big Island, Maui, and Kauai. Together, their areas total 5,300 square miles. The island of Hawaii is 3,293 square miles larger than the island of Maui, and Maui is 177 square miles larger than Kauai. What is the area of each island? We first need to define our variable for one of our unknowns. Let's let x equal the area of Kauai. We're told that the area of Maui is 177 square miles larger than the area of Kauai. Therefore, x plus 177 is equal to the area of Maui. We're also told that the island of Hawaii is 3,293 square miles larger than the island of Maui. Therefore, x plus 177, or the area of Maui, plus 3,293 equals the area of Hawaii, or the Big Island. We're also told that together their areas total 5,300 square miles. Therefore, we can find the sum of these three expressions and then set that equal to 5,300. We know that x plus 177 plus x plus 177 plus 3,293 is equal to 5,300. Now we can solve for x by first simplifying on the left side. Using the associative and commutative properties to regroup and then combine like terms, we have 3x plus 3,647 is equal to 5,300. Subtracting 3,647 from both sides, we get 3x is equal to 1,653. And then dividing both sides by 3, we get x is equal to 551. Now that we know that x equals 551, we know that the area of Kauai is 551 square miles. We know that the area of Maui is 551 plus 177, which is equal to 728 square miles. And the area of Hawaii is the area of Maui, 728, plus 3,293 square miles, or 4,021 square miles. We can check these solutions with the original information that we're given. Together, 551 plus 728 plus 4,021 is equal to the total area of 5,300, and the area for Hawaii, 4,021, is 3,293 plus the area of Maui, 728. Similarly, Maui, 728 square miles, is 551 plus 177 square miles. So it is 177 square miles larger than Kauai. Therefore, in summary, the area of Kauai is 551 square miles. The area of Maui is 728 square miles. And the area of Hawaii is 4,021 square miles.